Good morning, students. So this video is specific for exercise 7.4 that you people missed yesterday while looking at the video. So no problem. Exercise 7.4, question number 1. Please make a note. Question number 1, A and B and C. These part are your homework. I've already done with y'all practice with y'all how you are supposed to show the numbers on the number line or the fractions on the number line, so we can do it. So I said that exercise 7.1, the first part, which includes A, B, C, has to be done in your textbook itself. Sorry, AB has to be done in the textbook, C in the copy, and it is your homework. Okay, now I will go to question number 2, that is compare the fractions and put the appropriate sign. Now here if we see question number 2 says, while watching this video please keep your textbooks in hand, and question number 2 on page number 153 says compare the fractions and put the appropriate sign. Now I have already taught you the one common method that we use is we either cross multiply or we can look at the numerator and the denominators and do the comparison. Now in this particular case, just one moment.
In this particular case, like it is given 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. The denominators are same, so we are just going to compare the numerators. So obviously 5 is greater than 2, so the fraction 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. Now 3 by 6 and 0 is the comparison. A fraction is something less than one whole. It is a proper fraction. First thing you have to see that. So it is less than 1, but obviously it is greater than 0. It is less than 1, but it is greater than 0. जो fraction होता है वो 0 और 1 के बीच में आता है. Proper fraction. Okay. Then we go compare the fractions. Sorry, the another one is 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. Obviously 1 by 6 and 6 by 6 is going to make 1. 6 by 6, so this actually becomes 1. So obviously between 1 by 6 and 1 is greater. Next one is given as 8 by 6 and 5 by 6. जब आप लोग डायरेक्टली न्यूमरेटर्स एंड डिनोमिनेटर्स से कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं तो डू नॉट गो फॉर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. व्हेन द फ्रैक्शंस आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू do the cross multiplication. Now the question number 2 of the same exercise is of same type of comparison with different fractions given there. So I'm doing question number 2. ये C का first, sorry, C का last part था जो मैंने अभी comparison दिखाया आपको. अभी 1 by 7, 1 by 4. The numerators are same, denominators are different. The smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction. So the smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction. That means 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 4. Now, if you compare, look at the next one. That is 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. Denominators are same. This makes it 1. This is a proper fraction. So 4 by 5 is less than 1. And similarly, the next one you have to do it. Then question number 3, make 5 more such pairs and put appropriate sign. Question number 3 is make 5 more pairs and put the appropriate sign. That is your homework. That is the third part of exercise 7.4 is your homework. Question number 4. Look at the figures and write less than or greater than equal to between the given pairs of fraction. Now children, here, now you're not going to follow the logic of cross multiplication or compare the numerators and denominator. You're just going to close your mind at that end and just look at the picture and do the comparison. आपका 1/6 कहाँ प्लेस्ड है, वहां पर आप अपनी पेंसिल रखेंगे. उसके बाद 1/3 कहाँ प्लेस्ड है, वहां पर अपनी पेंसिल रखेंगे. Just by keeping the pencil, you will realize that 1/3 is bigger than 1/6. Obviously, when you do the comparison also, by your logics of denominator, still 1/3 is bigger than 1/6. So if I look here, this is my 1/6. This portion becomes 1/6. And this is my 1/3. This portion becomes 1/3. So obviously 1/3 is bigger than 1/6. Same way, 3/4. Where is 3/4? Here is 3/4. Let me change the color. This is 3/4 and 2/6. This is 2/6. So this whole portion is 2/6 and this whole portion is 3/4. So obviously 3/4 is bigger than 2/6. Here you are not going to apply the cross multiplication or the numerator denominator comparison logic. Then, question number 5, how quickly can you do this? Fill the appropriate sign. It's the same thing, children. You have to do it just quickly, but just remember that you have to always, before doing the comparison, you always should make sure that before doing the comparison, doing comparison, please make sure the fraction is in lowest term. Otherwise, unnecessarily, you'll be sitting. At times, there is no requirement of comparison. They are just equal after reducing. So make sure that the fraction is in reduced form or lowest form or simplest form, whatever we say. जैसे कि यहाँ पर लास्ट के वाला क्वेश्चन है 5/7, 15/21. So if I divide 15/21 by 3, so I get 5/7. That means they both are equal. So you have to remember these things and make sure that you do it first, the reduction and then the comparison. So here I stop my video. Of course, 6 question onwards, we have done it in the class today itself. So this video was just for these 5 questions which you all missed on.